Class inheritance. Class inheritance. A derived class or a subclass inherits the instance variables and methods of the base class or superclass and may add new instance variables, methods. New methods may be defined with the same names as those in the base class, in which case they override the original one. So subclass is like the parent, and the superclass is the child. For the library, for the syntax declaration, example number 1, class base. For the explanation, Tagalog na lang. So, class base, yung class, siya yung parent, then yung public, parang siya yung anak ng parent. So, base, makikita nyo dito sa output yung constructor base and destructor base, dalawa. Kaya nangyari yun dahil dito sa int main at dahil dito sa declaration. Yung class yung parent as is, pero gumawa siya ng bagong variable. Pero yung anak ng class, which is si public, ginamit niya yung base na variable in the first place. So, public. Kaya naging dalawa yung constructor pati destructor base. Dahil sa main, si derive, yung variable ni class, gumawa na naman ng new variable which is p, pati si p2. Si p2 is equals to p daw. So, yun nangyari, kaya naging dalawa yan dahil dun sa dito. Si assignment base, kaya isa lang siya. May constant base siya, operator, which is ampersand operator is equals to constant base ampersand. So, sa output na ginawa ko naman, program, same din siya sa example number 1. Same library, ito lang. Pero nilagyan ko na ng namespace std para mas tipid. So, si class, yan nga, parent, polygon, protected. So, as is lang siya dito. Int, width, and height. So, public, ito na yung child, yung anak ng parent. Void, set values, integer a, integer b. So, width is equals to a, height is equals to b. So, ito yung pagpapasihan ng mga to. Ang mga yan. Ito. So, sa class triangle, kung ano ng bagong variable si parent sa rectangle, tapos ginamit yung public polygon, yung variable ni parent in the first place. Sa public niya, sa bago niya, integer area is equals return with times height. So, yung with times height na yan, ito yung A times B. So, gumawa na naman ng bagong variable si parent. Si triangle naman, ginamit na naman yung variable yung unang parent dun sa class. Sa area niya, width times height over 2. A times B over 2. Kaya nangyari yung dito, 20 and 10, nangyari, si rectangle nag-set ng bagong variable, si left. Kasi triangle, bago siyang variable, TRGL. Nag-set sila ng values si rectangle pati si triangle. Rect.set underscore values 4 and 5, which is A and B. Yung A dyan is 4, B dyan is 5. Triangle set values 4 and 5 din, which is A yung 4, B yung 5. So yun, nag-see out select that area, si triangle that area. Kaya naging 22 dahil sabi nga, dun kay rectangle, width times height, A times B, or 4 times 5, which is equivalent to 20. So yung 10, triangle that area nga, 4 and 5 10, so A times B over 2 or 4 times 5 equals to 20 divided by 2, which is equivalent to 10. Using my own words, the idea is that you store data on the created class and you call it to your main function. Class derived inherited the members of class base. In-inherit ni parent yung anak niya, yung variables ng parent, pati yung variables ng anak niya.